Hi friends, welcome to Lax Smiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to explain discrete lines in Tableau. Let's get started. Discrete lines are nothing but a variant of line chart in Tableau. Whether we are creating a discrete or a continuous line, it solely depends on how our date field is. If our dates are discrete, then we will have discrete line chart. If our date is continuous, then we will have a continuous line chart. A discrete field will create a header in your view to split data values into buckets created by the members of the discrete fields used in the view. Let's see how to create a discrete line chart and how it can be used. I have opened Tableau Public Application and I'm clicking on Show Me Palette to first show how discrete line chart template looks like. I'm hovering on the discrete line chart template, and as soon as you hover on the discrete line chart template, you'll see some sessions over here, which is nothing but it shows that what all required to create a discrete line chart. Here I can see a date field is required to create a line chart, and we don't need a dimension at all, and if required you can add a dimension, and we need to have a measure for sure. So let me go back to the sheet 1 and create a discrete line chart. So I have taken sample superstore data to create discrete line charts. In sample superstore data we have a field called ship date. I'm right clicking on the ship date and describing it. We can see the dates over here. We have 20,000 dates, sorry 1300 dates, and the role is discrete dimension. You can see the dimension type is discrete, so it is perfect for discrete line chart. So I'm taking ship date dimension and placing it in the column shelf, and we need to have a measure, so I'm taking sales and dropping it in the row shelf. We have a line chart ready. Since only one member is there, we are not able to see discrete lines, so I am drilling it down to quarter. You can see multiple dates over here, multiple lines over here, which is nothing but discrete lines. So you see, right, since we have two members, which is nothing but year and quarter, we can see multiple lines segregated into buckets based on the members used in the column shelf, and we can even drill down to month. This way we will have more number of discrete lines, and if you want you can even drill down to days as well. You can see ship date header is available, and let me filter the year so that the discrete lines can be visible clearly. I'm taking ship date field and filtering it over here. I have selected on years and selecting 2018 and clicking on OK. You can see, right, 2018 quarter 1 January alone is visible. Let me show filter. I have deselected 2018 and selecting 2017 now. Again we can see we have 4 members over here in the column shelf: year, quarter, month, day. So all 4 members have been segregated and grouped into buckets. So the discrete lines are getting displayed. Now that we have seen till what level we can create discrete lines, I am removing day for a perfect description of discrete lines. Now we can see, right, it is not continuous. That means for each and every quarter we have a line chart plotted. Like this. This is what we call a discrete line, which is not continuous, which is segregated, grouped and marked into different buckets. This is it. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.